Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to increase zoom in mobile camera. Understanding the different types of zoom is crucial for better photos. Digital zoom essentially crops and enlarges your image, which often leads to a noticeable drop in quality. Optical zoom, on the other hand, physically adjusts the lens elements to magnify the subject, preserving much more detail. Hybrid zoom attempts to blend these two technologies, offering a balance between reach and image fidelity. To get the most out of your mobile camera's zoom, start by using your phone's native camera application. These apps are optimized for your device's specific hardware. Stability is key. Try to keep your hands as steady as possible, or consider using a small tripod for truly sharp zoomed-in shots. Additionally, always aim to shoot in well-lit conditions. Ample light helps your camera capture more detail and reduces the need for aggressive digital processing, which can degrade image quality. Beyond your phone's built-in capabilities, external accessories can significantly boost your zoom potential. Attaching a dedicated telephoto lens to your mobile device provides genuine optical magnification, dramatically improving image clarity at a distance. Don't forget to explore your camera's manual settings. Adjusting ISO and shutter speed can help you achieve sharper images in various lighting conditions. Consider using burst mode to capture a rapid sequence of photos, increasing your chances of getting a perfectly sharp zoomed-in shot. After capturing your zoomed-in photos, post-processing can make a huge difference. Use editing software to carefully crop your images, focusing on the most compelling elements. You can also enhance details and reduce any digital noise that might have appeared, especially with higher zoom levels. Remember, a little editing can transform a good photo into a great one. And speaking of great things, if you're looking for a fantastic way to stay hydrated, check out the Oala water bottle. You'll find a link to it, along with other great deals, in the description below this video. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.